Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off location history in a Google account. All you have to do right now is open your settings and go directly into your Google account. You can tap a user and account, and you can tap on manage your Google account. You can tap it. So go to the data and privacy option. Here you can scroll down, and here we go. This is the history settings that you can set. So you can choose whether to save the things you do and places you go to get more relevant results, personalized map, recommendation, and more. So you can turn off your location history in here, and also you can post web and app activity, post timeline, YouTube history. So this is how you can turn off location history by tap on maps timeline. So if you cannot see, or if you cannot turn off, or the option how you can turn off location history is not here, you can try to search manually by search Google account. Here you can tap, and then you can type location history here, location history, data and privacy. So you can scroll down and turn off the timeline. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click this button below. See you in the next video.